Alright guys, this is Nifty, and now you can see H1 chart and price are opening a gap up. So after that, price was holding in an area, so they form a sideways area. So here you can see most important thing, from here price shoot out, and from here to this level, that was all a buying territory. All right, so even though price dropped, but from here to this area, that was buying territory. So means we are looking for buy only, but sometimes we are selling it, but we reduce the lot size. Okay, so same here, from here to this level, this is the entire buyer territory. So basically I'm looking for buy because price are holding somewhere here. So once it break this range, so definitely I'll go for buy. All right, so even here you can see some breakout the structure. If price pull back, so I'm looking for buy. So I'll wait for a pullback and I'll see the rubber band man, is he dying or what. So if he dies, so definitely I'll enter somewhere there. So let's take a look another Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also, here you can see they was running in a range, so that was our range. Okay, that was range, and then finally price break and create an all-time high. And again, I'm expecting that price may pull back near this range. So this is called breakout the structure. So once pull back, so in that case, I'll use some rubber band man method. So like that. Okay. So I'll see price action. So means rubber band man means a price action. Let me show you in a small time frame. Like here, this is the line. Okay. Let's just jump to 15-minute or 5-minute chart. Let's see in a 5-minute chart where my entry point will be here. So now you can see this is my range breakout. So means I'm looking for buy. So here you can see price create new low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and if price create like lower low, and I'll see some price action method, rejection. So means rubber band man start from here running to the downside. Once he becomes tired, so that will be my entry point. Okay. So another, I'll wait for breakout. So because here you can see also range. So once the break this range, so I'll wait for a pullback. So in that case, same rubber band man I'll use. So after that, that will be my buy opportunity. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for giving your valuable time.